welcome back to Mama Weesie channel, Vlogmas 21. Today, as you can see by the title, I will be cooking dinner. Pork chops, and it's going to be grilled. No, correction. It's going in the oven. So, baked pork chops. So, follow me as I prepare the meal. There go the pork chop. Salt. Not too much. Not too much. Turn it over. I did wash it off, just in case if y'all wondering. Using onion powder. Accent. And we got garlic powder. We have pepper. Don't forget the pepper. I wonder why somebody crawling on the floor. Seasoned salt. And that's it with the season. So I'm about to put it in the oven. It's going to cook on. I got it set to 370. Oh. Wash my hands off. And with that baked pork chop, I will be preparing some rice with it. And I guess it's some corn. Yes. Oh, I need that for the rice. I need that for the corn. All right. My rice. I don't measure the rice. I go by my eyes. Let my eyes be the judge. Washing the rice off. So yeah. a little closer to me. This is the rice being washed. Okay, and I finished washing the rice. Now I'm about to add my salt in the rice. I'm using a spoon, right? But I'm not going to fold all the way to the top with this spoon because that'll be a lot of salt. So I'm judging by a teaspoon. So if I was, I had a teaspoon. Alrighty. Okay, I'm putting my corn on. Corn. I should have been cooking lima beans, but the kids don't too much like lima beans. So I'm gonna do corn. They love some corn. Open up 2 cans. 2 cans should be good. So baked pork chops, corn, and rice. Salt, pepper, pepper. So all that's done. And add my butter. Where's my butter, butter, butter? I use the stick. Use the half a stick of butter. Have a stick of butter, make it taste good. Butter make it taste good. Butter make it taste good. So, you're using butter. Get this over to the stove, put some stir. A lid. And turn the fire down. I'm turning it on low. For the corn to cook. rice. And here's the corn. Then in the oven is the pork chops. The baked pork chop is ready. Doesn't that look good? Woo! The rice is ready. And the corn is ready. I'm about to eat, and I'm going to let y'all know what I'm giving my own food, my rating on 1 to 10. I'm back, finished the meal, and as you can see, my plate is clean, but I did have a little piece of pork chop still left. So, I'm going to rate this, and I also have Miss Tania with me. And my rating for myself, I prepared a meal. So, when I got to my last meat, it seemed like it was a little dry. So, I'm going to rate it an 8. I'm going to give it that an 8. But as for the rice and the corn, for me, was very tasty. So, that gets a 10. All right, Miss Tania, what you say?
The food overall, I give it a 10. It was good. It was good.
How was the pork chops?
It was good.
The pork chops was good as well?
Yup.
Oh, okay. All right. So, this concludes my video. Give this a thumbs up. Comment down below. Push that notification bell so you can see the next upcoming Vlogmas. Yes, we're counting on down. It's almost time for Christmas. 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 Have you been naughty? Have you been nice? What you think what Santa's gonna give you? Do you think you will have a good Merry Christmas? Good Merry Christmas. All right, good night.